When you are adding a new API key to your SendOwl account, it is very important to set the right permissions for it. After you click on the Add API Key button, in the pop-up that opens, besides naming your key, there is also a section where you can set the permissions for this new key. You will need to set the right permissions here, otherwise the connection you make will not work properly. This means that you will have to check the checkbox next to the manager type, which will automatically select all the other permission types as well. Once you add the API key, you will see that the newly added key has the permissions of a manager. This type of API key is the one needed for setting up your connection with Thrive Apprentice later on. In case you didn't set up the key to have permissions of a manager, but instead you selected a few of the other permission types, your API key will have restricted permissions just like this one. You can easily change this by clicking on the word restricted. This will open the pop-up window again, where you can update the permissions of the key. Just select the Manager checkbox and then click on this button to update the API key. Once this is done, your API key will have the right permissions and you can continue setting up the API connection.